Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Ben Layson, and this week's video we're going to be doing a room tour. My room before was very messy, so this video is like, like a men's lifestyle, decluttering your life type video, as well as just some room inspiration for those looking for it. My channel so far has been spent a lot of clothes, and while clothes is fun and all, I also want to get into other stuff, just not clothes, and I redid my room this summer, so I'm just going to go ahead and make a video on that. I thought the whole budget for the room was like $1,000. I don't know how much I spent. I'll probably add it up at the end in the description down below or something like that. And as well as everything in my room is pretty much from IKEA besides the bed frame. And yeah, okay. And so I'm just gonna have it listed down below, so that way if you see anything you like, you can go ahead and get it for yourself. I'll probably have the wall color paint listed too and stuff like that. And yeah, my room is just my room. I just got my bed, my desk, and storage stuff like that. So this is like a really small room setup. And yeah, we're gonna move right into the video now. I'm gonna show you guys B-roll of everything in my room, and I'll just do a voiceover of it. And yeah. Alright, so first up we're gonna be talking about my desk area, my workstation, and whatever you want to call it. And I have this PC, just the setup, keyboard, and monitor. My PC was custom built with help from my brother, so that was pretty nice. And then I do have that little small plant in the corner for some added decoration. And then the desk itself was from IKEA. It was like only $14, sales. And then other than that, I have some cable management down below, which kind of needs some work done on it, and a nice rug beneath my entire accent wall. As you can see, it's dark blue, my accent wall. It's pretty nice, and the rest of the walls are gray. Other than that, I have two lights, one light bulb above the PC, and then a light down to the left, like a lamp, floor lamp. And I went to IKEA for one thing, and I came out with like 8, so that's why my room is a little bit cluttered with decoration and lighting. And then I did get this Eiffel chair, which is pretty nice, and then I do have a poster above it. And then moving on to the next area, we're going to be talking about my storage area per se. On top I have some more plants, and then I got these IKEA crates for $10, which I just put sideways to make some DIY shelving, and it worked out pretty well. I have on the top all my cologne, the second level, or second shelf, I have all my watches, and sunglasses. Third shelf is my camera equipment and cords, and then lastly I have some miscellaneous stuff, all of that. And then to the right of that I have my clothes rack, which is nice. I keep all my clothes that I'm wearing a lot in the season on there, as well as just some shoes down below. And yeah, the rug does cover about half of the wall, which is pretty nice. Not the entire thing, but other than that, yeah, I really like this rug. So moving on to the bed area, it's just the bed really. I don't have much going on here. I do have another movie poster, and then I work at the movie theater, so I get posters pretty easily. And then I do have some more hanging plants in the corner of the room, which is just some more added detail. And then along the windowsill I have another plant, more plants. I have one real one, which is one I take with me to college. The rest are fake, so when I'm away they don't die. And then I do have a piggy bank I got from my grandma, which is just something I keep. And then the bed itself was, platform bed. I do have some underbed lighting, which is pretty nice, and then just a bunch of pillows thrown on. I don't really like to do a lot with my beds besides pillows. And then we're gonna move on to the last area, which is my dresser. In that corner I do have my diploma on top, a little EDC carry tray with my wallet and my keys, and another plant. And then I just slapped some mirrors on there for something to do with the wall, I guess, and another lamp hanging in the corner. I really need to stop going to IKEA and store. I just get too much stuff. And then in the dresser I have clothes, socks, underwear, sweaters, and then pants. And lastly, in this little area we do have a John Wick poster, as you see, and my Coach bag, which is my backpack now. I got it at the factory Coach store on sale. And lastly, we're going to go right into my closet. I'm not going to talk a lot about this. I just have my hats on top. I do have my shoes on the other side, and then I have the rest of the clothes on the hangers. If you want to see a fully in-depth closet tour, I'm more than happy to do that later on. Just let me know down below. Other than that, that was pretty much my room. Yeah, there's not much going on with it. I wanted to keep it minimal and like sort of modern. This is how I'm going to keep it for the time being. It's just really simple. I like it. Let me know if you like it too. This is just a lot of, room inspiration if you're looking for that. And if you guys like the video, remember to leave a thumbs up down below, as it was pretty difficult to edit for me. It would mean a lot. And remember to subscribe here. As you can see, I have a lot of clothes in my room. That's because I'm a fashion YouTuber per se, and so I just do a lot of stuff around men's fashion, lifestyle, all that. So remember to subscribe if you haven't before, and I will see you all next week.